Okay, so you can see on Google Earth now, we have a map of all my testing. I went to Timberline Park, not too far from my house. Tracker was here. It was aimed in this general direction. Now, I did notice a few things when I was walking out. First of all, if I didn't have the phone aimed with its back pretty much at the tracker, I would lose the signal. Like if I had it 90 degrees out at this distance, middle of the soccer field, I would lose the signal. I had to aim it, turn around, pretty much aim it where the tracker was. So there's some element into to the gain of the tracker involved. Now, the first point I stopped. Now here I got I did not actually get RX on all. The LG D90 didn't receive it here. The only place I tested LG D90, well, it scanned it here. It didn't connect to it here. This is where the LG D90 connected it on the test I did where it successfully connected. And further out, I was unable to scan or connect on the LG D90. On the S6 Active, this is the furthest connection it got. This is about 612. This is 528 feet on the LG D90. The S6 was at 612 feet. Another thing to mention about the LG D90, its scanning, its Bluetooth low energy scanning capability is sort of limited, at least as far as I could tell, because when I was using the continuous scanning API, it would only detect it once, and then it wouldn't return any more hits. So the LG D90 doesn't do a continuous scan. It'll scan, and it won't return additional detections of the hardware. Like on my S6 Active, where I can scan and I can see a constant received signal strength just by scanning, LG D90 doesn't do that in its Bluetooth stack. Now the iPhone 4S I didn't manage to connect from here, but maybe that was a fluke. It did connect from here and from here, but it did also manage to connect from here, 761 feet away. I got the iPhone, and you can see we're starting to clip through this house a little bit, so we're starting to lose line of sight. That may be why we couldn't scan it from here. We might have been able to scan further out and maybe even connect further out if we had a better line of sight, but this testing scenario didn't allow for that.